This is a turntable that is very beachy and I would consider kind of summery, but I'm going to make it perfect for Christmas. Welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. Most of the year I have this covered with teapots. Yes, teapots, because my daughter likes Alice in Wonderland and gives a mad tea party vibe. But for Christmas, I decided I was over that and we were going to do something else. So with just a few things that I already had, I'm going to turn this into a perfect Christmas centerpiece for my table. First, I'm going to add this tray, which has a snowflake on it, right to the middle. But you can see that's not really good enough because I can still see the shells around the outside. Now, you might be wondering, why don't I just take this off the table and put this on instead? I really like the big turntable. I just really like the size of it. And I kind of don't have anywhere to put it if I remove it. Like I don't really have somewhere to store it. So I'd rather just layer it and keep the turntable vibe than just having a tray that I can't spin around. So next I have this garland. It's just a gold, like, you know, garland you could get at Target or wherever. And I am going to put that around the outside edge of this tray. To hide it. Now there's a little bit more garland than the edge of the tray, so I'm just gonna wrap it on the side and fluff it out a little bit, but still keep it so it just covers the edges. My tray will be off center a little bit, but you won't really be able to tell. Now, I also had the idea of making this super cute and festive since it's on a table. And this isn't our main dining room. This is a table off of our kitchen. So it's kind of more of a breakfast spot, or just like we sit here and talk while someone's cooking in the kitchen. So I thought it would be a fun place to make a little hot chocolate station. So I took one of my wintry cups and I filled it with candy canes. And set that on here. And then I took this, let me turn this. See, isn't it nice to have a turntable? Everyone should have a turntable. This actually came filled with hot chocolate, but we've since drank all the hot chocolate. So I filled it with some more hot chocolate packets, stuffed it full, and I'm making a little hot chocolate station. So we'll put that there too. Actually, I'm gonna put this here, and then I'm gonna put this on the other side so we can see the snowman, right? And then there's some extra space. So I'm gonna make it really Christmassy by adding a little Christmas tree that I got from Target. Just this little Christmas tree. It's not very tall at all. Let me tilt this up so you can see. And then to tie it in, it only has 2 little ornaments on it, but that's okay. I'm gonna decorate it with candy canes. 1. And just hang them off of the branches. You don't even need to hook anything to them. And since this isn't a very big tree, it doesn't take very many to make it completely decorated for Christmas. Add another one over here. Let's see. Maybe I'll move this one so I don't have 2 things hanging off of the same branch. And there we go. I have turned my very summery looking turntable into a hot chocolate station. The only thing I need to add is marshmallows. The only thing is, if I have a bin of marshmallows out on the counter, and I'd put it in an airtight container so they don't dry out, but if I put those out on the counter, my kids are just gonna eat them all. However, if you have kids who can restrain themselves, I would totally recommend adding some marshmallows. All right, let me adjust that candy cane. Let me know how you're decorating for Christmas in the comments. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about more Christmas videos and other creative ideas that I have for the holidays and beyond.